Hello everyone, this is Advocate Radhika Sharma, interning with Lexis and Company. So in our last video we have discussed what is transfer of property and what is transfer of property act, and we have also have discussed section 54 sale key definition. So in this video we will discuss about section 58, which determine which is about mortgage. So the transfer of an interest in a specific immovable property for the purpose of securing payment of money advanced by way of loan an existing or future debt and the performance of an engagement which may give rise to a pecuniary liability. And there are simple mortgage होता है. In a simple mortgage, the mortgage is not given control of the property, and the mortgager individually bind himself to pay the mortgage money. If the mortgager fails to do so, the mortgagee has the right to force the mortgage property to be authentic. Mortgagee has the right to force the mortgaged property to be auction. And in conditional sale, the mortgager apparently sells the mortgage property with the condition that if the mortgage money is not paid on a predetermined date, the sale will become absolute or final, and that if such payment is made, the mortgagee will transfer the property to the mortgager. And in unfortunately mortgage, where the mortgager expressly or by implication bind himself to deliver possession of the mortgage property to the mortgagee and authorize him to retain such possession until payment of the mortgage money, and to receive the rent and profit occurring from the property or any part of such rent and profit, and to appropriate the same in lieu of interest or in payment of the mortgage money. And there is also English mortgage. An English mortgage is a transaction in which the mortgager bind himself to return the mortgage money on a specific date and transfer the mortgage property absolutely to the mortgagee with the provision that he would retransfer it to the mortgager upon payment of the mortgage money as agreed. And mortgage by deposit of title deed. Mortgage by deposit of title deed is used when a person is from Calcutta, Madras, or Bombay, or any other town specified by the state government, and the mortgager gives documentation of the title of immovable property with the goal to generate security on the basis of a comparable word used in English law. This sort of mortgage is commonly referred to as an equitable mortgage. Thank you so much guys. Thank you for watching us.